Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unsql with Shahid. In last class we have completed unattended installation, which is also known as command based installation. Also I have showed you how to apply the patches. Also I have showed you how to do slipstream installation, and whenever the installation fails and also the patch files fails, then how to troubleshoot. Everything I have been done with that. And also MSI MSP, whenever the files are missing, you have to troubleshoot as I show, using VBA script, or else you can ask your Windows team. And also third option is running that fix missing MSI tool. Okay, so after that you can patch the files. Okay, you can fix with that and patch the files. So today we'll be discussing about security. Okay, what is security? Whenever we enter the SQL Server, we will be having three levels of security. Okay, Windows level security, SQL Server level security, and database level security. Okay, and when we had to first enter to the Windows level, like uh, uh, we have to take LUSR mgr.msc. Okay, so if you click this, I'm a Windows login. Okay, I have already a login known as Shahid. Okay, so if anyone wants to enter to my Windows, so I have to create another login. Okay, like a new user, I will be creating something like Suresh, for example. Full name Suresh. You can go simply as Suresh only. And password, you can use something strong password, you can give to him. And you can also uncheck this. Okay, user must change password at next logon. Means whenever the user connects with Windows, right, it will prompt to change the password at that time. So no need for this. User cannot change the password. Means an user can never change the password. Means this is the wrong setting, bad setting, we can say. So, and also password never expires, and account is disabled. I am not checking any of this, so I will be creating simply. Okay, password. So just you can create like this. Thus this user has been created. If you refresh here, okay, I will close. So see here, Suresh user has been created. As I log in with this uh, to this laptop, right, I am entering to this server or laptop. This is my computer I am entering. So same like that, will be entering to the server through RDP here it is the option. This is the, you are connecting to the server. Okay, so with Windows authentication using this user, okay, you will be connecting to that RDP. Okay, to that computer or server, whatever you can say. So that is the Windows authentication. So second is SQL Server. Okay, my name is Shahid, right? Suresh also the same rights has. Okay, what I have. So I will be entering here. So I can access Shahid. I am connected to my, this is my computer name, desktop 8U2EOUC /Shahid. So this is my computer name. I have connected to this Windows. So I have here full admin rights. At the time of installation, add user Shahid, right? So I have got all sysadmin rights. Okay. So what we can do is here to enter Suresh to this SQL server, right? Means he can we can authorize him, okay, to enter to this SQL server. Okay, authenticate. Okay, so what we can do, how we can give the permission, means here in this security we can go to logins. Okay, right click. Okay, we have already entered to the this laptop, okay, with the Shahid. Okay, new login I can click. Okay, in search option here locations, you have to click on location this computer. Also if anything left, you can check this, okay, everything, and click OK. Group means like here if I go to LUSR MGR, this Suresh Shahid I can group. Okay, right click new group and group name DBATeam. Okay, I'll use SQL DBATeam. Here I can add. Okay, SHH ID Shahid, check names already there, and Suresh SURES Suresh, check names, so added. Okay, now I can create. Okay, so this group has been created. If you go to the DBA SQL DBATeam here, properties, this child and Suresh are there. Okay, this is known as group. Okay, group level security. As I see here, we have Windows group. Okay, this is the Windows group. Well, local login means individual login. That Shahid is the individual login. So and Suresh is individual login. Group login means Suresh and Shahid together is group login. So in that way you can understand. And here also domain login. This domain login also is there. We will be discussing in level 2 what is domain login. I will show you creating ADI accounts and all, Active Directory. So a lot of time is there. First we will be understanding this better. After that it will be easy to understand. So what I will be doing means, hope you have been understood this Windows group. Okay, altogether if 10 users want to enter into the server, to my desktop, to my computer or server, so we can add that user, create that user, Shahid, Suresh, Aqib, something like that, and we can create group and we can add, okay, to the group. This is local individual login, like one single users. Okay, and we have done with this Windows level. Now we have SQL Server level. As I shown you, like I created one login. Okay, means I can create new login. Yeah, already it is there here. I will click OK. So again I will show you here Windows Authentication search. You can type Suresh also. Okay, here if you know the correct spelling, if you check here, automatically it took see here Suresh. Okay, desktop underscore, it is a Windows Authentication. So also I can search as a SQL DBATeam, right? This is individual user. So SQL DBATeam I can search here. So I can check names again. Okay. So why it is showing here error means object types I have not selected groups. So I wantedly have not checked to show as example for you guys. So you can check name here. See, now DBATeam has came. Okay. So everything whatever you click simply here. Okay. Other objects built in wherever you can if anywhere you are missing you can find, okay, by checking that. Okay, no, nothing will be missed here. So I can click OK. Okay, Suresh also will be getting the permission. Okay, here. So I will be creating DBATeam and I am giving authentication. Okay, so now here I have to click with right click, again right click, DBATeam I have created, because in that group, right, Windows group login, Suresh is also there. I have not given individual. Okay, here in logins. Okay, so what I will do is here I will be right clicking on this and I will run as different user, because if you don't enter to the system with the individual login, we can right click and run as different user. Also means it is logging from different user. Okay, to the Windows. So dot slash Suresh you can give. Okay, dot means here desktop it will come. Okay, so you simply if you give dot means here it will choose desktop -8 u2e ouc. So I will give the password. Okay. So now it will open dot slash sorry dot slash Suresh. Now one more SSMS will be opening. So I will show you what I was supposed to say. Like here desktop Shahid is there, no desktop Suresh will be upcoming. Okay, and also like SQL authentication means Suresh will be connecting to this instance. Okay, this is the server level. That is the server level. Okay, SQL Server login. Server level we are entering. SQL Server login we have also SA. Okay, SA login also. In this, if I connect here, if I try to connect here, see here, if I choose here SA, it will ask login and password. Okay, yeah, this is SQL authentication. If I click on Windows authentication, it won't ask password here because there is one more a name for Windows authentication. We can say has trusted authentication also, because password is verifying, okay, from Windows level itself, so no need, okay, again to verify. So that's the reason it is not taking again to verify the password. If we click only Windows authentication, if I select the user, then there is no need of password also. See, I will be choosing, see here, Suresh. Already it came because we have that authentication. I will click on trust server certificate, and then I will try to connect any instance in my laptop, in my server or computer, anything you can say. Okay, I'll connect to here, trust, connect. What happened? This user has login with this, okay, Suresh name. Okay, this is entered, means virtually entered into Windows. Okay. So have given for which instance? Okay, MS SQL Server 01. Okay, same server I have to connect here because I have given to that instance only. MS SQL here. Okay, now it will connect. Trusted connect. See here, now Suresh has been connected through the Windows group login. Okay, so if you see, I can access. Okay, like I can't database will be not visible. Okay, here if I go to security, it won't show any logins because only have authorization. I don't have full permissions. Okay, so I can just connect to the SQL server. That's it. So this is the SQL Server login, guys. Hope you understood everything on SQL Server login. Also, this we have database level login. Okay. Now we have entered to Windows. Also, we have entered to the SQL Server level. So now you'll be entering to the database level. So here we can't connect because we don't have any permissions here. So I had to go to this Shahid user only, and then here in this user I can give uh, permissions. Okay, I can map. Okay, one more thing, guys, like here principal means the person who is accessing the database and other objects like tables, store procedure, views. So that are the objects. Okay, the person who is accessing database and object is known as principal, and the person and also securable. Securable means objects are the securables. That's it. Okay, you keep in mind in this. Okay, objects are securable. The person who is accessing the tables, database or views is known as principal. So objects like tables, database and views are securable. Okay. So that is the definition you can say in the interview as well. So like one more thing, I will be mapping. Okay. So Windows Authentication Suresh has been added to the this Windows here LUSMR SMR SS means LUSR MGR. Here again I have means from Windows I have mapped to the server. You can say the word has mapped like you are not given the permission like that you should not say anytime. You have mapped Suresh to the SQL Server instance, okay, from Windows, you can say like that. So also like I have done through command, right, means through GUI, right. So like creating I will be now creating individual user because I have created already here. So this DBATeam, right. Suresh also I will create, okay, individual user, new query. I will take new query here, create login. Suresh means I have to give full Windows name only. What I will do, I will take this, okay, computer name here. Make sure guys to give square bracket here because sometimes the strings is there, no, it will be mismatching, okay, one string it should be there. So Suresh, okay, I have to give this from Windows. Windows I have created, right. So from Windows I am creating login. Commands has been executed successfully. If I refresh here, so now you will be understanding, okay. So here Suresh also it has created. This is individual. This Shahid and Suresh are present in this SQL DBATeam Windows login. So hope everything is clear for you now. So if I go to properties, here also we can give or else individual Suresh. As I am a sysadmin, I will be preferring this Suresh individual user. I will map any database. Okay, I will be creating one database, new database. I will call it a DB1. DB1. Okay, I will click OK. Then what I will be doing here? Here I will delete again. I will create because there is a space. Okay. So right click, new database, DB1 I will create now. Click OK. So again what I will do, I will be creating one new table, okay. I will create through GUI only. Here, new table, okay. Yes number, okay. Here I will give yes name. I will change it as the INT. INT. Yeah. INT, okay. I have created now table, okay. Okay. So I will click means table has been created here. So I will map this, okay. I will enter some records in this, okay. Edit top 1 2 okay. Now you can select, okay. Select top 10,000 means 1 2. The data has been successfully inserted. So what I will be doing here, if I go to security, this logins, not at database level. One more thing, this is a database level. Means I have entered to the instance level, server level now. Now this is the database level. Inside the databases, like object, these are the securable, okay. I am the principal. I am the user accessing the database and this object, okay, this table. So I am the principal. So these objects are known as securables. Now hope you might have understood clearly. So what I will be doing here in security, I have created a Suresh user. Right click properties, server roles, okay. I will give map, okay, map here, okay, DB1. See here I have means at a server level we can say has Suresh login, Shahid login, or SQL DBATeam login. Okay. Here what will be there means in the database level. So it will be the user. Okay. This is the user. This is different. Okay. And login is different. User is different. But as a good practice, we'll be keeping everything as same only. User's name also will be the same and login name will be also same because it does not cause confusion to anyone. So also it is independent. Okay, for this user belongs to this database only and it is independent. If you have data DB2, DB3, that and all independent. Okay, independent user. Okay, login will be one. Okay, for the instance this db1, db2, db3, db4, db5 everything what I have will be creating, so that will be independent users. Okay, so I hope you have been understood. So I will be give this permission your data reader, data writer. Okay, so this is the objects. Okay, if you see here we have here secure principal. Okay, I have entered to the Windows level. Like also after entering to the Windows level, I am entering to the SQL Server level. So also I have entered to the database level. Here I have given Suresh the database user permission also. So now Suresh also can access. Okay, now here it will show for Suresh also DB1 because I have given permission for this. So he can access the table now. Suresh, right click, select. You see here 1 2. Okay, here Suresh is the user. Suresh, you can see here Suresh. Also here also you can see Suresh. Suresh. So this is the securable. Suresh is accessing database table 1, that is the principal, and this objects and views, tables, whatever it is, that are the securable. So one more thing guys, like this Windows level security is also one kind of framework. Okay, same thing like .NET framework is there, no? And this whatever we see here, this GUI interface like connecting these buttons and all, it is all from .NET framework only. So the security also one kind of .NET framework, security framework we will call it. So whatever the security we are entering, right, it is through .NET framework only. Windows level or say SQL Server level, database level, everything is .NET framework only. So keep that in mind as well. So Suresh is accessing everything because I again did read write permission. Suresh can write on this table as well. So hope this might have understood. I will be going in depth in further classes. So one more thing guys, also I have shown you this uh, the Windows server level, database level. So there is one more level. Okay, I mean built-in administrator. So if you go here built-in administrator. Okay, groups, here administrator group, I can go to properties here. Okay, so I can add so Shahid is already there. Suresh I can add. Okay, check name. Suresh is also a part of location. See, same thing here, objects if you click. Okay, Suresh, check names. So Suresh came, I am adding Suresh. Okay, Suresh is now the part of administrator group. So what Suresh can do, he can enter into my laptop with the Suresh name and Suresh user, and he can collapse my computer, everything. Okay, he has all admin rights. Okay, on my Windows. So like that. So next class I will be showing. We have three kinds of login. Okay, here if I go here. See this. Okay, I've explained this all three levels of authentication. So now there is also one built-in authentication. Okay, built-in administrator authentication. I have here like at instance level, SQL Server level, database level, everything I have shown here. We have here individual login like Shahid, Suresh, and also we have Windows group login, okay, like DBATeam. Also one more login I'll be creating administrator login, okay. So individual login I will be writing here for better understanding, okay. Individual login means login means Suresh, you can say, okay. And group login Suresh, Shahid, DBATeam, okay. I have created DBATeam, SQL DBATeam. That is group login. Again we have built-in administrator login. So here if you right click new login, you have to search like built-in, okay, built-in administrator. If you search only administrator, you will be not getting. So you have to search with this name only, then built-in administrator, check name, okay. Close object types, group, okay. Location, okay. Check names. Check names. Advanced. I'm not getting here built-in. Actually, I think this one, this administrator. Okay, I will try this administrator here. Check names. I will create OK. Create OK. Built-in administrator login. So over here, Suresh has three ways. Okay, he has individual login also. He has DB Windows group login also. Also, he has a built-in means he this one I will check and tell you. Also consider built-in administrator login. Okay. So in which door the Suresh has to enter to the SQL Server. Okay. So that will be our next discussion. So I'll be discussing this everything in next class, okay. So also one more thing, if you want to create user here, you can use, okay, you can use this command also. Through command here you can use command prompt, command and command prompt. You can open this here. You can use net user, okay, net user. You can tell you can write any name. Okay, I am giving Aqib. You have to give password, okay. April @1234 @PRIL 1234 okay. You have to add, okay, add. If you enter okay here, now the user has been created, you can see here, okay. Aqib user has been created. So in this simple command you can use and you can create login. In that way also it is possible. Also after creating login, right, you can create login with this command as I shown you in GUI, right. I will map this with command. If I give create new user, I will be creating a new user Aqib, okay. I'm mapping, okay, from Windows, okay, from Windows. see create login, this username from Windows means it will create. Okay, if there is only there is a login present in Windows, then only it will take. Okay, so already this has been created, the DBATeam. Okay, already these things and all created. So I will be we're talking about we have Aqib, means Suresh. Okay, Suresh or Aqib. Okay, individual user. DBATeam. Okay, like Suresh also is there in DBATeam. Here Suresh only I will write because it won't confusion. It won't cause confusion to you guys. So I will be giving this individual login Suresh, DBATeam, and also administrators. Okay, in which door this Suresh will enter. Okay, we'll be discussing in my next class. Thank you guys for your patience and support. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like. Okay, thank you. Bye. Take care.